The Zoom WFM Schedules page is the lifeblood of the contact center. On this page, you have multiple functions. The first thing to point out is you can easily collapse the window to get more viewable space for your account. You can view net staffing, your required staff from forecasting compared to your actual scheduled staff. The deeper, darker reds are the more understaffed. The deeper, darker greens are the more overstaffed that you are. White is ideal staffing. From an edit schedule perspective, it is super easy to make adjustments to the schedule. If I needed to have a team huddle, a simple drag and drop establishes that meeting. I then can save the meeting, and it will publish this meeting to the agents, and they will be notified accordingly of the upcoming team huddle. At any time, if I want to look at my schedule history, it will show me any and all changes that have occurred to that schedule from the time it was created until the latest change. Nick Johnson added an activity. Rick Arps published the schedule. At any time during this, I can revert back to a previous version of the schedule with the click of the button. Additionally, on this page, I have agent filter groups, which allow me to sort and categorize agents in any fashion. I can look for a particular activity. How many agents have overtime on their schedule for today? I have the ability to create a new activity if I don't have one available. I have the ability to schedule a bulk activity. I have additional features to show more or less activities. I can hide the activity detail to sort by just the activity types. I can view my intraday report to see how I'm doing my forecast compared to my actuals for the day. And I can also optimize my schedule for the purposes of maximizing my workforce. It will process that request, give me the option to preview that optimization, and it's going to move a smattering of breaks around in order to be more in line with my required staffing. And with one click of a button, that stacked breaks in the 4 p.m. hour is gone. This is the Zoom WFM schedules page.